Okay. So, hi, Umaji. How are you?
I'm good. Hi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. So, we have connected after so long.
Yeah.
And today we have connected to learn about you, your journey, your experiences, and your growth, which has been so far. And since you have been associated with Silent Door for so long, your story deeply matters to us. So today we are going to learn about like what things have evolved for you, what changed, what stayed, and this is your space to basically share, reflect, and inspire us. So, starting with this, I would like to know a little bit about you. Would you like to introduce yourself to us and your current area of work?
Yeah. So I'm Uma Shaha Keche. I'm located at Kalyan, Mumbai.
Okay.
At present, I'm working as a counseling psychologist. Uh, I finished my MSW with medical psychiatry in the year 1993. And in between, I've been doing MBA, HR, and all that. I'm working for Birla Group.
Oh, wow.
But being psychology as a passion right from the college time, I thought of pursuing something of career, or say you can say a pre-retirement preparation I'm doing to get into this field.
Mm-hmm.
I have a daughter, 24-year-old daughter. She's also doing her MA psychology.
Oh, nice.
I did my MA clinical psychology again in the year 2020.
Wow.
So I am associated with Silent Door, specifically with Mrs. Archika Jain right from that time.
Hmm.
And our journey together really has been a very good and a successful journey. So coming back to my area of work, I'm attached with a psychiatrist here in local area in Kalyan. 4 days a week I go there as a counselor.
Oh, wow.
I'm also there into testing and everything. And to be very frank, one thing I liked about Silent Door was that in every session or every program I attended with them, I was the only senior student who was above 50,
Wow.
and I was always welcomed as a college student. And all my colleagues who were there in the program also accepted me as like one of their own thing. So it never gave me a different feel that I am so old and how can I study, and will my mentality or say my IQ match or my grasping match with the one with the youngsters, because there is lots of say a generation gap between me and the students. So always had a worry that could that mitigate my thought process with the young thought process.
Yes, yes, yes.
So that is all about me, and I'm happy that I'm always with Silent Door.
And you have been working on which post before starting as a psychologist? Before like 2020 or something?
Yeah, I'm still working as a manager in industrial relations, or you can say employee
Okay.
relations. Yeah. And in which counseling is a part of my portfolio, but counseling in a psychological setup and counseling in an industrial setup, there is uh,
Like a stark
a
difference.
difference. Yeah. See,
Yeah.
counseling basically all the principles and the things are there, say they're same. But the thing is that like the areas of work are different.
Yes.
To counsel the workers, most of the issues we face are their alcoholism, absenteeism, their gambling processes, their
Okay.
extramarital affairs. So, and the crowd here is a typical crowd
Hmm.
whom we day in and out know, meet each other. They do visit our office. We meet them on the shop floor and all that. But one thing is sure that every person coming even 3 4 times in front of you is a
Hmm.
new challenge, because every time he comes with a different mentality. कुछ ना कुछ घर में हुआ रहता है या जो भी है.
Yes,
The
yes.
same thing is in the psychological setup, because from 8 to 5, 5:30, I am in the industrial setup. 6:30 onwards, 10, 10:30, 11, I'm in a psychological setup. So these two setups, as a person, I have to shift on my role very fast,
Yes.
because in an industrial setup, I can at least raise my voice sometimes.
Hmm.
Dealing with the psychological patients or mental health issues, I have to keep, बोलते हैं ना, यहाँ पर बर्फ रखना पड़ता है और यहाँ पर शक्कर मिश्री
Yes,
रखनी
yes,
पड़ती है.
yes, yes.
So that shifting, by God's grace, I can do it really very, I can manage that, because my patients, they do ask me, ma'am, how can you manage all, आप हमारा इतना सब सुनते हो, आपको कुछ तकलीफ नहीं होती है क्या?
Hmm.
सो एक जवाब देती हूँ मैं उनको कि ये जब हम जो बात करते हैं, मैं लैपटॉप में मेरे चला जाता है, लैपटॉप बंद, ये बंद, unless and until I meet you for the second time or the third time, next session, everything is managed.
Hmm.
So it's see, it's very difficult to manage a very thin line between personal and professional life.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah, so that has to be maintained by everyone.
Yes, so you have beautifully explained the role that you are playing as a psychologist and as a, you can say, a team leader at your organization. So, in this respect, I would like to know about you. Like you have been telling me about you juggling the roles, you have been showing your utmost patience and even compartmentalization between your personal and professional lives. What do you think that's there are some of the skills that are required in your profession, and how have you attained them so far in your journey?
The first very important skill every counselor or every mental health professional needs is patient listening.
Yes, definitely.
And on the top of that, to be a very good non-verbal action observer.
Mm.
Observation is a very good thing. How you read the person sitting opposite to you is always very important. So here, like I would like to say, in an industrial setup, totally the things are different. यूनियन आ जाती है बीच में, किसी को कुछ, हम अगर हमारे ऑफिस में बुला लेते हैं बात करने के लिए, तो आपने उसको क्यों बुलाया, क्या प्रॉब्लम है उसकी? सो वी हैव टू be responsible, or we are accountable to the management, to the union, to the
Yes.
person himself, and in case if his family is involved. But here in the mental health setup, only the primary caregiver or the person who accompanies the patient or the client, we have to be there. But
Hmm.
in both the settings, there's a very big challenge. So being a patient listener, being very sweet and soft in talking while talking,
Hmm.
listening and understanding their issues, going to their level of understanding is very important. I think I would suggest all the counselors to be that, because what I know, how much I'm educated, or what knowledge I have is up to you. But once you are in amongst people, you have to go down to their level and understand that person. So I
Yes.
would like to say these things are very important.
Yes.
And I have attended many programs at Silent Door. Most of them were like, yes, beginning with all these things, variety of programs, right from rating scales to
Hmm.
your how we can take an interview and all that.
Hmm.
So all these programs really have given a very good input day in and out for the improvement.
Yes. So, like I know you put up in Mumbai, right? And but I remember you had a chance to visit us offline
Yes.
also. So I would like to
Yeah.
know about that particular experience also. Like it comes rarest when people, join us from all the parts of India. We have so many people associated with us from South India, Northeast, and even Western parts of the country as well. So people who are in Delhi, they all like they are they get a chance, and we get a chance to meet them and learn from them as well. But like you are one of those rarest people who got a chance to visit us in offline mode even after living in a different state. So I was not available that day, I know, but you
Yeah.
you had a meeting with Darshika ma'am, I guess. So
Yes.
would you
Yes.
like
Yes.
to tell me about that? How was that and everything?
Yeah. Uh, it was quite a good visit,
Yes. Okay.
a professional as well as a personal.
Okay.
So how two things can work together?
Mm-hmm.
It so happened that in the month of December, I had to go to my university where I'm pursuing my MPhil in rehabilitation psychology.
Oh, nice.
So on the way, on that time, I had some time. And to be very frank, I had taken a DMIT package from Silent Door,
Mm-hmm.
and somehow wanted to get some training one on one. But due to other things that she could not attend the office that day, I
Mm-hmm.
visited her residence, and rather I was so shocked, rather I was so happy that she has invited me to her house.
Yes.
Like she and I, when we met, like we were so gelled up. Okay, I'm like her daughter's nanny, so that way I presented because the age was in that, and the kid was also so good. Like she used to just come around me and just see and then go back, like look at me. Who is this new person here?
Mm-hmm.
And my mom is talking with her. But the thing is, I would like appreciate that Archika ji really is giving a good cultural this thing, what you can say, जो बोलते हैं ना संस्कार, वो
Mm-hmm.
अपने बच्चे को बहुत अच्छे से संस्कार दे रहे. She didn't disturb us at all, we when we were working on that particular
Mm-hmm.
thing. So it was my pleasure and my I appreciate that visit.
Mm-hmm.
ऑफिस में जाना था, घर
Yeah.
में चली गई, and I was very well welcomed, knowingly कि I have traveled the whole day and night from Mumbai to Delhi.
Yes, yes.
I was welcomed. I was क्या बोलते हैं उसे, ब्रेकफास्ट वगैरह भी मुझे दिया था, like so it was really a very good thing. And
Lovely,
as a
lovely,
professional and as a person, she's really a good person.
lovely. I wish I could have also been there
Yeah,
to
I
meet
missed you
you.
that day.
It's okay. Next time, if I'll visit Mumbai or you will be visiting Delhi once
Sure,
again.
sure. Both of you are most welcome here, Mumbai.
Sure. So, talking about this, I would like to know, like, how did you discover about Silent Door then?
Yeah, I took admission for my MA Clinical Psychology in 2019,
Okay.
and immediately this thing started, COVID started. And as a protocol of Clinical Psychology, we had to do some internship. I
Okay.
got it to know from social media.
So your first course was an internship with us.
Internship, yeah.
Okay.
So internship, and then slowly, like my interest, I got my interest. You see, it's not only doing clinical psychology. What next?
Hmm.
Because जैसे जैसे इस field में अभी मैं आई, then अरे I should have a license. I should
Hmm.
know what exactly the things are.
Hmm.
I'm working full time in a private thing, so I won't
Hmm.
be able to do the things and all that. Now, this joining Silent Door has changed my perspective of looking at this particular mental health setup. So this was helped during my internship with Archika ji. Most of the courses I did are psychotherapies.
Hmm.
Then career counseling course I did with you.
So nice.
Then I did the rating skills and all those things, as I mentioned some time back. Rating skills was there. Along with that, I had also done some courses on color therapy practitioners, or say emotional and mental health, how we can deal with such things. So then there was a certified and mindset coach.
Oh, nice.
Not all the courses, but I have joined major of the
Hmm.
courses.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
Most of them were for anger management for kids.
Hmm.
Then I had like art based therapy, and I'm also looking forward for one of the course that is going to be starting on 5th of May. That is for as a toolbox course that we are starting.
Okay, therapist success toolbox.
Therapist, yeah, therapies are therapy, but I'll be in a therapist course because I'll be doing it online. So I forgot to mention one thing about me, that I also have my own career counseling setup, a psychological counseling setup known as Focus here in Kalyan. And
Okay.
now I can't concentrate more on that because of the studies of my this thing. I do online counseling and everything. So now to settle as a career counselor, or to settle down as a mental health counselor, I'm looking forward for that course, which will help me how I can start. Maybe I'm doing it, but I may be missing many of the things, many of the professional aspects of that. So I would like to learn them from this particular course.
Great. So, since you have just told me that you have taken so many courses with us, so what is that particular thing about our courses that you really like, which basically motivates you to join with us again and again?
Knowledgeable faculties, confidence of the faculty,
Okay.
the course content, or you can say the material that is given in that particular session,
Yes.
it's really very good. And the way it is taught or the way it is presented, it is seen that every participant understands that concept, and then only the next thing is discussed. Maybe 10 times it is asked in the class by any one of, maybe me also sometimes, because that grasping is not there at the age of 53, 54.
Hmm.
So I was always given I mean, not me only, but all others were given good explanation to our understanding. So that is one thing I like from your thing. The courses and the language is so approachable that every lame person, a
Hmm.
non-psychology background person also can understand that thing. One course I remember of doing it, SPSS,
Yes.
on this thing, your statistical this
Yeah,
thing
package for
in
social science.
package. Yeah. So I was literally new for that. I had no ABC, no foundation of this particular course, but 3 days course, I think it was done by Miss Tilotama, or I just forgot her name.
Mm-hmm.
But it was that really, the course was very good. So doing all these various courses, as a person, I built my confidence.
Hmm.
और ऐसा लगता है कि yes, silent door is the only place where I can rely on any other course, and there's one-on-one touch or relations, or say you can say contact with the, connect with the student and the faculty,
Okay.
which you hardly find in any other course, this thing.
Thank you so much, Umaji, for sharing that. And it will be the last question for today. So, looking back, what advice would you give to someone considering taking a course from Silent Door?
I would really very sincerely recommend silent door to everyone. जो एक homely atmosphere होता है ना, keeping profession as a priority,
Hmm.
that you get here. आई मीन अंडरस्टैंडिंग में है, आपका पर्सनल टच भी है उसमें. एंड विथ मी आल्सो आई हैड सेवरल course who were repeated.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yes.
in few of the courses that I attended, most of them were in the repeated
Yes.
thing.
Yes. Yes.
So that
We
is
have a
one thing
good
I
repetition.
recommend. Yes, मैं बोलते ना, मतलब आई एम सो हैप्पी एंड comfortable, rather comfortable with the trainers or the instructors or the people who are taking the classes. So I would really recommend Silent Door for everyone.
So you
Any
have
small
been,
course, anything.
so you have been able to apply all the knowledge and the
Yes, yes,
certifications
yes,
as
yes,
well
yes,
that you have gained through our platform.
yes, yes, yes. Very much. I have everything. Like when I joined clinical and MA in clinical psychology, at
Hmm.
the same time there was COVID. So the lectures that we used to attend, I
Mm-hmm.
did it from IGNU. So we have
Okay.
a RC center here in nearby in Ulhasnagar, which is
Okay.
about a kilometer or so from my house. So Saturday, Sunday we used to go, and suddenly with the outbreak of COVID, everything was stopped. So Silent Door was like a class or a lecture room for me, because all the tests that we were to be doing in this, I took it from this. Rather, I could utilize my that time in getting some extra knowledge, which increased my confidence as a counseling psychologist or as a psychologist.
Okay.
So now doing my MPhil, these things are really helping me a lot.
Wow. It
Yeah.
has been really, really, an honor for me to, it was not me learning about you. And it was even more greater than that. Your story has been inspired me so much always. I've been, a facilitator for some of the courses, and it was always great to have you as one of our participants. Thank you so much for sharing your journey with me today. It was really inspiring how far you have come and so many things that you have gained so far, even considering profession change at the age of 50 is really very something that people fear so much, but you have mended that so beautifully. You are taking different courses, you are upskilling yourself, and you don't stay behind from from choosing that you have to do that. You really do that, and I've also seen your commitment during the courses. You are always up to the mark. You do all the homeworks that are given, and you come back better next day. You ask on so many questions. And that just truly means that you are here for the knowledge and not just for the certificate. And this really makes me happy to say thank you for being a part of Silent Door family. I'm
Thank you.
grateful for your openness, and this conversation has been meaningful for me as it has been for you. Wishing you all the very best for your future journey. And again, I wish to see you in our Therapist Success Toolbox course now and many other future courses to come to help you and you helping us. So thank you
Sure,
so
sure.
much, Umaji,
Yes.
for connecting with us today.
Thank you.
It was lovely talking to you.
My pleasure. Thanks. Thanks.
Thank you for your time. Thank
Bye.
you.